On 29th November 2020, Avinash Sable created history by shattering the Indian course record at the Airtel Delhi Half Marathon with a timing of 1 hour 30 seconds. This national record in the half marathon was a huge improvement over the previous record by over 3 minutes with an average pace of 2 minutes 53 seconds per kilometer. In fact, he would have left behind the previous record holder by more than a kilometer in this race. What made this accomplishment unbelievable was the fact that Avinash Sable had not done any half marathon specific training for this race. This world-class performance was based only on his 3000-meter steeplechase training in which he has qualified for the Tokyo Olympics. With this incredible feat, Avinash Sable has proved that he has got a huge potential in long distance running, and he has left us wondering about how fast can he run a marathon if he really undergoes marathon specific training like other elite long distance runners. To really know his true potential, we will be using the Runner's World Race Time Predictor to know his probable timing in the marathon. This race time calculator gives a fairly accurate prediction based on a runner's recent race timing and the average weekly mileage the runner puts in during training, and most runners rely on this predictor to target their weekly mileage and race timing. Let's find out how fast can Avinash Sable run a marathon. The goal race will be marathon. His recent race would be half marathon with timing of 1 hour 30 seconds. Let's say he will run a weekly mileage of 200 kilometers per week, which is not that high. Press on calculate and bingo, Avinash Sable can easily run a marathon in 2 hours 6 minutes and 31 seconds on a weekly average of 200 kilometers. Now let's revise the mileage and enter 220 kilometers, and the predicted marathon timing would be 2 hours 4 minutes and 44 seconds. Now let's revise the mileage to a higher side of 240 kilometers, which the world's top marathon runners like Eliud Kipchoge, Kenenisa Bekele, and even Indian elite marathon runners like Gopi T, Ketaram, and Nitendra Rawat cover every week. With 240 kilometers of weekly training, Avinash Sable can run a marathon in 2 hours 2 minutes and 59 seconds. That may sound unbelievable, but we truly believe that Avinash Sable can clock a marathon timing somewhere near 2 hours 5 minutes in the near future if he debuts in this event. There are two key factors which we think Avinash Sable can achieve this feat. First, he has got the raw speed of a world-class runner on the track which can easily transition to marathon. Second, this highly gifted runner can easily handle the high volume of marathon training without injuries, which is mostly at a lighter pace compared to the fast-paced training of a steeplechase event. What is your opinion on this subject, and how fast do you think can Avinash Sable run a marathon? Comment below in the description. This would be very interesting to watch in the near future when Avinash Sable would be running his first marathon and making the country proud. If you want to predict your own marathon timing, I have given the link to the Runner's World Race Time Predictor in the description below. Go and have fun with the predictor. Thanks for watching.